This is the MP600, proven on the battlefield. It's the core member of the one-handed opening series of Gerber multi-tools relied on by the US military. Built of hardy stainless steel, the MP600 opens smoothly with one hand, and its long pliers function precisely to grab and manipulate small objects in equally small spaces. It has a wired cutter and crimper, as well as built-in rulers that run along the handles. Flip open the handles to access the serrated blade, fine edge blade, Phillips driver, 3 separate sizes of flatheads, full-size file, lanyard ring, and can and bottle opener. Each of the components locks safely in place for heavy use. As with all of our military products, it's proudly built in Portland, Oregon. A true American icon. This is the MP600.